Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Food is Fuel. Today I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to continue to eat throughout the day with your busy schedule, okay? So remember that over the last couple of episodes, we've talked about the importance of eating throughout the day and not skipping meals, okay? The only time that we may be skipping a meal is if we're doing intermittent fasting, and that is strategically skipping certain meals and doing it in a way that is going to allow your body to reset and help you lose weight. So I'll be doing an episode on intermittent fasting soon, but I just want to make it clear that just skipping meals throughout the day is not considered intermittent fasting and is not a good way for you to lose weight, okay? It actually slows down your metabolism. So we're gonna start from breakfast, okay? Tip number 1 is that you need to have breakfast, okay? So when you wake up in the morning, you know that you're gonna have that full glass of water that we talked about, and then you're gonna have breakfast. Whether that's even just a banana on the go, some boiled eggs, or my favorite, a protein shake. So in my cabinet, and it has to be easy, like things have to be easy. In my cabinet, in the same cabinet, I have my NutriBullet with my protein shake and my chia seeds and my maca powder, whatever it is that I'm going to put in my protein shake, all in one place. The only thing that's not there are my fresh produce, okay? So every morning I just grab my NutriBullet, my protein shake, and then I will put into my protein shake a banana, some berries, some spinach, some oats, some peanut butter, my protein powder, and water, and then a tad bit of almond milk. But what's cool about these is these cups are on the go. So you go ahead and blend your protein shake, you put your lid on it, and you're right out the door. You have your breakfast in a cup, and it allows you to still have breakfast while you're on the go, and it's good stuff, okay? It's not McDonald's, it's not like this unhealthy things that you typically get when you're on the road, okay? So that's first, number 1. What do you think about possibly implementing a protein shake into your day? All right, so the number 2 thing that I do is bring my lunch to work. So whatever I cook the night before, as I'm serving my kids, I'll just go ahead and put it into my Tupperware and pack it away in the fridge. So in the morning, all I have to do is go ahead and grab my lunch and bring it to work. And that is super helpful because you know, you've been at work before where you're starving and you're trying to figure out what to eat, and you either skip lunch or you end up at a vending machine, or you end up at your local restaurant paying way too much money for food that is not going to help to support your goals. So bringing lunch to work is another way that I help to support my goals. Let's add a tip with that. I also bring my snacks. So on my way home, I'm having my snacks, and I also have a snack at work. So having all of your food with you is extremely helpful. All right, let's get to dinner. I don't know about you guys, but okay, around 3-4 o'clock every day, I realize, oh, I forgot to take the meat out again. I went to go take the meat out, but I didn't actually take it out. So I have nothing defrosted, and I have to figure out what to make. Well, these have been a game changer. I now buy prepackaged salmon, codfish, and chicken breast. And these are amazing because, first of all, when you get home, all you have to do is throw these in a bowl of water, and they defrost super quick. And second of all, they're properly portioned. So I know, okay, this is how much salmon I'm gonna have. This is how much chicken breast I'm gonna have. If you don't wanna buy them this way, you can buy them in bulk. And when you get home, this is an extra step. It's a little bit more work, but if you're a planner and this works for you, that's great. You can buy them in bulk, bring them home, take them out the package, wash them, season them, and then put them in your own individual packets. Especially if you're a person who's maybe eating differently than your family is eating. So, okay, my kids are gonna have ribs today, or they're gonna have, you know, tacos or burgers and stuff, but I have my chicken breast individually packaged and seasoned, and I'm gonna go ahead and make mine. So that's dinner. All right, so far, we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The other thing that I do is, aside from my prepackaged frozen meat, I will split my fresh produce and my frozen produce. And the reason for that is, when I first started this health journey, and you've probably experienced this as well, we go out and you buy all this healthy, fresh food, and a lot of it goes to waste because it can't sit in the fridge for more than a few days because it's real food, right? So what I like to do now is I will split half of my stuff is fresh, half of my stuff is frozen. So Monday, or usually we go shopping on Sundays. So Sunday through like Wednesday, Thursday, I'm going to be relying on those fresh fruits and vegetables and cooking with those. And then I know by Thursday, I'm probably going to be out of a lot of stuff, and I'm going to start relying on my frozen vegetables, okay? The frozen fruits you can use for your smoothies. The other thing that I do is that if my stuff is getting too ripe, I will wash them and freeze them. So I use those for my smoothies or I use them for dinner. All right, guys, and just like that, we're up to tip number 5. Tip number 5. So if you're a person who likes to make salads, I do find that sometimes I might have everything that I need to make a salad, but I'm just not necessarily in the mood to start cutting a bunch of things up. So what I started to do was make enough salad for a few days. And I would think that enough salad for about 3 days is recommended, okay? So what I will do is make my salad for 3 days. I'll put them in a bowl, okay? Seal it nicely with a lid so this way it stays fresh. You can also put them in the Ziploc bags. I noticed that they don't last as long in the Ziploc bag, but you can put them in a Ziploc bag as well, okay? It's just like you buy them in the store. They come in a bag, so you can definitely put them in a Ziploc bag, and it makes it so easy when it's dinner time. You can just go ahead and portion out some of the salad and not have to sit there and cut everything every single day. All right, guys, so I hope these tips are helpful, and I would love to know which one you're going to try this week. Pick at least one tip of mine, and I want you to implement it this week. And let me know on my social media pages which one you decided to try. All right, guys, until next time, remember that food is fuel. Love you. Bye-bye.